Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a meditation on sleep. That seems kind of fitting for a Sunday, but I sort of feel like in our current situation it's probably fitting for every day, whether you like to take naps or just get a really good night's sleep in the evening. So get yourselves comfortable. As always, you don't need to sit cross-legged. You can be lying down for this one maybe. You might want to be pre-sleep if you want to listen to it again later, as you wish. But it doesn't matter. Meditation is particular to the individual, so whatever position is good for you. And then take a couple of deep breaths, and I'm going to read Sutra number 52. When sleep has not yet come, and the sweet buzz of exhaustion permeates the body, linger in the of relief as your head touches the pillow. Everything in you is yearning to let go. So let go. Let your body fall into something deeper than sleep. With your mind, enter the soft, luminous glow of the soul. Well, sleep is not just this tick box exercise that we need to complete every 24 hours. It's something delicious that you give to yourself whenever you feel like you need or you want it. And that's what this meditation is helping you cue into, understanding when you really need or want it. When sleep has not yet come and the sweet buzz of exhaustion permeates the body, when our nervous system is calling out for sleep, our body is requesting it of us. It's the biggest act of self-love to relinquish and to give that sleep, that nourishment. And there is so much going on in sleep. Yes, it's a necessary function for our body. It's where all our repair work and all of our building work is done. If you think of a muscle, when you're at the gym, tear and repair, you work it out, and then it repairs when it's resting. It repairs away from the gym. And so all throughout the day, we're busy doing all the things that we do, using our brain, that particular muscle, using our body. We are tearing away. And then at night, or when we nap, we sleep, that's when we really go into deep levels of building, of repair. That's where all of our learning is crystallized and solidified. And so it is a magical process of growth. And the soft, luminous glow of the soul that your mind can enter, it's also a chance for different parts of us to come together. Our mind, our subconscious, our emotions, to wander off into dream state and play, but also rehearse and think through different situations in our life so that we can either understand them better or come to the table with them better. And in that sense, that processing that goes on in sleep, whether it's the biological functioning of just mending tissues and solidifying neural pathways, or dream state, and whatever magic goes on during that, those are both processes where you are not in conscious control. And so sleep is very much about releasing and letting go, just giving in. Let your body fall into something deeper than sleep. We literally fall asleep. Your body is yearning to let go, to release its grip on control, on the busyness and awareness of wakefulness, of movement, of tensing and using of muscles in all kinds of manner. Sleep is the sweet release. When sleep has not yet come, pre-sleep, and the sweet buzz of exhaustion permeates the body, that sweet buzz, that sweet ache. I've done so many wonderful things with my body that it is now so tired and exhausted. how amazing my body is to have done those things, and how wonderful that I can now nourish it with sleep. Linger in the of relief as your head touches the pillow. That delicious feeling of sheets on your skin as you slide into bed. The pillow on your cheek. Just the feeling of being held and embraced and supported by something that you might consider snuggly, or something that just allows you to let go and to sink or float. Everything in you is yearning to let go. So let go. Give it to yourself. Let your body fall into something deeper than sleep. With your mind, enter the soft, luminous glow of the soul. That luminosity that you feel when you're in bed, whether it's pre-sleep or whether it's wake up, how you can just drink in that feeling of lightness of being. Or when you wake up, sometimes it's also a wonderful buzz of energy to get going with before you step out of bed. When sleep has not yet come, and the sweet buzz of exhaustion permeates the body, linger in the of relief as your head touches the pillow. Everything in you is yearning to let go. So let go. Let your body fall into something deeper than sleep. With your mind, enter the soft, luminous glow of the soul. So whether you guys take one nap a day, many naps a day, or if you just sleep however many hours at night, make sure that you get so much sleep during these times. All the sleep that your body needs. Really nourish it, really feed it, really love yourself with that. Really let go and take joy in every step of sleep and what it has to offer. Try not to run yourself up to the very end of the day and then just fall into sleep, fall into bed and pass out. Sometimes that is a great experience. But take time, feel that tiredness, get excited about going to bed, and meditate on that deliciousness of release, of the sweet ache of tiredness, and of the nourishment and rejuvenation that sleep has to offer you. You guys, sweet dreams.